How to enable Secure Boot in Windows 11? First step, check if Secure Boot is already enabled. Search for Run and type the following text msinfo32. Click OK. In System Information, you need to check BIOS mode and Secure Boot state. The BIOS mode should be in UEFI and the Secure Boot state should be in on. If the Secure Boot on means Secure Boot is enabled. If Secure Boot is off means it can be enabled in BIOS. So carefully check it. Once checking after, move on with next step. Enter the BIOS UEFI settings. Click Settings. Click System Settings. Scroll down. Click Recovery Settings. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart. Click Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced option. Select UEFI framework settings and restart it. Restart your PC and repeatedly press the BIOS key. F2, delete, F10 or escape depends on the manufacturer. Then move on with next step. Ensure Secure Boot. Find Boot Security tab. Set Secure Boot enabled. If Secure Boot is unavailable means disable CSM or Legacy Boot. Ensure boot is set to UEFI. Save changes and restart it. Thank you.